everyone, so welcome to the YouTube channel of Y Community, and I hope all of you are doing good, all are safe. So first of all, thank you so much for coming on the channel. And today in this video, we are going to discuss about the logical reasoning section of this UQP paper number 11 of March 2024. So in the recent March 2024, there were the paper number 11 in which there were the one section of logical reasoning. So we will discuss all questions of those reasoning LR in this video. So if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever there will be the new videos, you will get the notifications. And without wasting time, we will directly jump on the questions now. So here is the question number 1. You can see of the logical reasoning. So they are saying that in 16 minutes, the minute hand gains over the hour hands by. So the simple logic to find out this one, what we know that our hand gains how much? It makes a half degree per minute, right? Our hand moves by the half degree per minute. So in a 16 minutes, how much it will be moved? In a 16 minutes, it will move 16 into half. That means 8 degree. So this will be covered by the hour hand. Now if we talk about the minute hand we know that it moves by the 6 degree per minute. So in a 16 minutes, it will move by 16 into 6, that means 96 degree. So how much this minute hand gains over the hour hand? It will gain 96 minus 8, that means 88 degree. So your answer was option number 2. And the exam was easier. It was not much difficult. We can simply do, okay, 16 minute hand jata hai, 16 6 are 96. 16 into half will be 8. Difference of 96 minus 8 is 88. So the exams like this I will solve it. Yes. 988 orally you can do it. So you can solve easily in the exam also, and it was easier question. Now we will jump on the next question. Question number 2 is of the blood relation, which is of the coded blood relation. So let's see. They have given the data like and means A and B, and means the brother of B. Hashtag means A is the daughter of B. At the rate means wife of B, and then how is K related to Z in the following expression. So expression is a Z at the rate R. What is mean by at the rate? At the rate means wife. That means we can say that Z is the wife of R. So if Z is the wife, obviously R will be the male member. So we'll draw it in a square. Then R and T. And ka meaning kya? And means brother. So R is a brother of T. Now we don't know the gender of T, but R is a brother of T. Then T hashtag H. What does mean by hashtag? Hashtag means T is the daughter of B. So this T will be the daughter of H. That means R and T are the daughter and son of the H. And H at the rate. At the rate's meaning is a wife. That means H is a wife of K. So K will be the male member. So in such as these are the couple, this Z and R the couple. So what are they asking? How is K related to Z? So Z's husband is a R and R's father is a K. So K will be the father-in-law of Z. So answer will be option number 4. That is the father-in-law. Easier. Now we will jump on the next question. You can see on the screen. All questions were really too much easy. 5 boxes A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 are kept one above another and not necessarily in the same order. Chalo, let's see. A1 is just above A5. Okay. A1 is just above A5 and just below A4. Just below A4. Then A2 is just above A3 and just below A4. A5 just below A5 and above A3. So how many boxes are above A2? So above A2 we can see there are the 1, 2, 3 boxes. So answer is option number 2, that is 3 boxes are above A2. That's it, easier. Now let's see the question number 4. 6 special lectures are to be organized on banking system, quality circle, work motivation, decision making, current affairs and personality development. Lectures are scheduled to be held one lecture on each day from Monday to Sunday as per the below mentioned. So we will draw it here. We will do the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So these are the lectures. Okay, now let's see which lecture will be on which day. Work motivation should be organized immediately after decision making. After decision making, there should be work motivation, but on which day we don't. Let's read the next sentence. Quality circle should be organized on Wednesday. Okay. Quality circle should be organized on Wednesday and should not be immediately followed by personality development. This should not be immediately followed. Means इसके पहले क्या नहीं होना चाहिए? Personality development should not be on Tuesday. The next one, decision making should be organized on Friday. Okay, decision making is organized on Friday, and I know that just after the decision making there were the work motivation. So decision making should be on Friday, and there should be a gap of 2 days between banking system and current affairs. Banking system and current affairs, there should be 2 days gap. Then on one day other than Saturday, there should be no lecture. Means on Saturday there is something lecture should be there, as we know that there is a work motivation. So there is a one holiday is also there, and current affairs should be on previous day of holiday. So if this is the holiday, so just before the holiday, there should be the current affairs. And what we know that there should be two lectures between the current affairs and banking system, right? What was that? Yeah, banking system. So what can be the holiday? Just before the holiday, there is the current affairs. Now, if this cannot be the holiday because before there is no any chance to current affairs. Thursday cannot be holiday because this cannot be current affair. So we can see Tuesday will be the holiday and just before it there will be the current affairs. And we know that there are two lectures gap of the current affair and banking system. So 1 and 2, 2 days gap. So this will be the banking system. And what will be the remaining now? Remaining will be the personality development. So they have asked you which lecture will be organized on first day or Monday. So on Monday, which is the CA, that means current affairs. So your answer was option number 1, that is the current affairs. That's it. So it was not much difficult, quite logical. Okay. Now let's jump on the question number 5. In a specific coding language, if Raghav plays hockey, it's written as, except these are the codes. Okay. We will write down here. We will try to understand these codes first. Raghav plays hockey. And what are their codes? X, F, J, D, N, I, R, Z, Z, M, O, U, B, G, H, Z, S. So let's try to find out what can be the logic. Now, what is this logic? If you observe it properly, as we can see R, X, F, J, D, N, I, there is no any such logic. So if you find out actually, this Raghav's code is written here. U, B, G, H, Z, S. How they have coded? Let's see. R, A, G, H, A, V. So R becomes +1, that means S. Then A -1 is a Z, that means R -1 is a Z. Then G +1 is a H, G -1 is a G. A +1 is a V and V -1 is a U. So they have done like a +1 -1, +1 -1, +1 -1. Sorry, -2. So similarly, we will do for these words, right? Which are those words? Arun works hard. Arun works hard. So similarly, what will be the code for Arun? So A +1 will be B, R -1 will be Q, U +1 will be V, and N -1 will be M. Right? So MVQB. MVQB, you can see these are the MVQB because we write it at the last, right? So MVQB. So this is the option number 3 or 4 is possible. Now let's see for the plates. For the plates, what are the codes? Let's see. Observe. You can see P -1. P -1 is a O. L +1 is a M. A minus 1 is a Z, Y plus 1 is a Z, S minus 1 is a R. So R is the MO. Similarly, if you talk about the works, WORKS. So we are doing a minus 1. So W minus 1 will be V, O plus 1 will be P, R minus 1 will be Q, K plus 1 will be L, S minus 1 will be R. So R, L, Q, P, V. That means option number 4 is the answer. We do not need to find out for option number C also to check for the hard word. We can simply see option number 4 was the answer. Okay. So it was easier plus 1 minus 1 that they have written in the last. So simple, we have to apply the same one. Okay. Chalo, let's do the next question. So which number will be replaced in the question mark? Actually, there was a 13, but this number actually is a 17. So the series is 17, 37, 77, 157, 317. 17. So what is the difference between these two numbers? This difference is a 20. This difference is a 40. This difference is what? 15 minus 7 is a 80. This difference is a 731 minus will be 160. So if you observe this difference, 22s are 40, 42s are 80, 82s are 160. So 162s are will be 320. That means this difference should be 320. So 317 plus 320 will be 637. So your number will be option number A, that is the 637. Easier. Now let's jump on the question number 7. This is the question of blood relation again. Pointing towards Akshat, Deepak said, he is my mother's father's son's brother's son. Okay. Suppose this is the Deepak. He says that this Akshat is my mother's, Deepak's mother's father's son. Father's son means your mother's brother. Father's son's son. This is the Akshat. So what are they saying? If Tanya, who is married to Sankalp, is the mother of Deepak. So mother of Deepak is a Tanya who is married to Sankalp. So how is Tanya related to Akshat? So what we can say, Akshat's father, father's sister. So father's sister means options is again the father's sister. So answer will be option number 2, or we can say paternal aunt. So answer is option number 2. That's it. Easier. Now let's see the question number 8. On Jan 12, 1980, it was a Saturday. Then on 12th Jan 1979, what will be the day? Now we know that 1980 is a leap year, but if you go from 79 to 80, from Jan to Jan, we haven't crossed the Feb, 29th of Feb. So there is no any 29th Feb in between them. So this is a normal ordinary year. So 1 year before there will be the -1. That means there will be the Friday. So your answer will be option number 2. That's it. Easier. Now let's solve the question number 9. In the below mentioned question, a statement is given followed by two conclusions as number 1 and 2. Answer the question based on the statement and conclusion. What is the statement? Investment in Sensex is subjected to market risk. Consult your investment advisor or agent before investing. Statement says that Sensex is at the market risk. So consult your investment advisor or agent before the investing. So conclusion 1 says that one should not invest in Sensex. We can't say this. Who said we can invest, but we have to check the market risk, right? And second one, the investment advisor calculate the market risk with certainty. That is true. That's why they have suggested that to check it, consult with your investment advisor. So we can say only option number 2. That means conclusion number 2 follows. First one follow. That's it. Now let's see the next one. So question number 10, Vipul and Priti are ranked 7th and 11th respectively from the top in a class of 31 students. What will be the respective ranks from the bottom in the class? So what we know that total is equals to top plus bottom minus 1. So for the Vipul, what will it be? 31 is equals to rank from top is a 7. 7 plus bottom minus 1. So bottom will be how much? 7 minus 1 is a 6. 31 minus 6 will be 25. So Vipul's rank will be 25 and similarly for the Preeti. Now we know that 4 ranks above 7 and 11 means there is a gap of 4 ranks. So obviously this will be 21 minus 4 means 25 minus 4 means 21. Or we can see 31 is equal to 11 plus bottom minus 1 which will be equal to 20. That means 25th and 21st is the rank of the Vipul and Preeti respectively from the book. Okay. And now let's solve this next question. In the following question, two statements number 1 and 2 are there are the cause and effect relationships. Okay. So we have to find out what are the cause and effects. Okay. So what are the statements? We have to find out whether it is the effect of the same cause or the independent cause, or the statements are maybe the independent causes without any relationship. Okay, so let's see. Statement 1 is that the prices of petrol and diesel in the domestic market have remained unchanged for past few months. In the domestic market, price of petrol has remained unchanged. And statement 2 says that the crude oil prices in the international market have gone up substantially in the last few months. So, in a domestic market, it is unchanged. In the international market, it has gone up. So, we can see it cannot be the cause. First cannot be the cause. Second also cannot be the cause. Actually, both statement 1 and 2 are the effects of an independent causes. Because for the international market, there is an independent market and independent cause. And for the domestic market, there is an independent cause. So, answer will be option number 4. That is the both statement 1 and 2 are the effects of independent. So the question number 12, which is based on the in the question below, a statement followed by assumptions number 1 and 2. An assumption is something supposed or taken granted. Consider the statement and decide if the given assumption is implicit or not. Okay. So statement is what? Best way to solve this problem of employees' dissatisfaction is to offer them cash reward. If this type of incentive can solve the problem in Cidco company, then why not here? This is what the personal manager tells to the chairman of company. So this personal manager just said this statement. So what are the assumptions? Let's see. The reason for employees' dissatisfaction in both the companies was similar. Reason can be the similar, and monetary incentives have universal happening. So we have to check whether these assumptions implicit or not. The first one can be implicit. Of course, reason can be similar, and the monetary incentive have universal appeal. So we can say both the assumptions are implicit here. Okay, so these were the last question. I hope you have understood this, and this was the complete solution of the paper. So if you are looking for any structure program, if you require the proper guidance, problem strategies, you require a roadmap, and you want to crack the TC exam in just one attempt, then you can join the workshop. The link is shared in the description. So you can go through that description. You will get all the information. And if you have any doubt regarding any paper or anything, then you can ask in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching it, and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe.